Actually, that night it was better. Then the next day we started noticing something else, which I'm a bit scared. It's nothing to do with his character. I think it's something in him. He started having these creepy faces, So he's like, yesterday I came back and I saw him. He was crying, but at the same time he was smiling. So I was freaked out. The day before night, I'm living in my parents' house. So he just opened the door. He looking at an empty dark hall. He's like having a very creepy smile with a big eye, and he's saying bye-bye to something. He did that repeatedly 3 times, opening and closing the doors. So then yesterday he cried, and while he was crying very loudly, he was also having a smile in his face. So what I did, I played the PVH song, then I kept all the affirmation. I did the forgiveness affirmation, spiritual affirmation. I did Ida Pingala, reverse Ida Pingala and Sushma. Then he was better. Then we said for blessing. He was okay. Then night he had another episode of repeating the weird things again, sir.
How old is the son? How old is the son?
My son is 3 years old, sir.
Okay, now question is, do you have a prayer altar in the house?
Yeah, in my parents' house, yeah, but then I have a house in Cyberjaya, but since the COVID last year, we are not staying there. But only my husband, once a week, he'll go and visit and come. And this one, my auntie Krishna Vinish has spoken to you. My husband, when we are newly following PVH, he actually had this image of a scary figure came into his eyes and it went off. Last time my husband is able to see spirits. But then after my son was born, that ability went off, sir. So that again it repeated on that day when around March he had that figure, and it was only once and he couldn't forget the figure. But then he said usually that figure, he feels some presence in the house in Cyberjaya. Then recently, this past 2 weeks, he's telling me that he only went there once a week. He said he can see the figure, but last time the figure had like the hair was not like flying, but now the hair is like flying. And whenever he does this divine fire for Cyberjaya house, because we want to sell off the house, sir, he said that image pops out in his eyes. And it's quite scary. And whenever he sees the in the house, he said the image is like everywhere. It's like come split second, and then it goes off from his eyes. It seems. So my son's, we had this sculpture of my son, photo of my son. So my husband felt not so right. On Saturday he brought it back. So now there's a sculpture.
Who had it? Who had it?
We had it in our Cyberjaya house, which we are no longer staying because of the COVID.
Okay.
So when my husband only visits the house because he don't want to leave the house unattended. So once a week he'll visit. But there was a big gap of 3 weeks of not visiting, and when he went back, he said these figures, whenever he passed through any room or anything, he can see this one very scary figure, but the hair all is like flying. They say it's a bit creepy, and it mainly is in my altar room. Actually, sir, we have an altar room in my Cyberjaya house, but we are not praying.
Hold on. It's okay. What are you having there?
What am I having in my altar room, is it?
Yeah,
the usual Hindu gods, sir.
Kali also Hindu god, no?
Okay, we have Ganesha, Murugar, Saraswati Amma, Kali Amma. These are the ones that we have, and a small Baba statue, something like that. But both me and my husband, we don't really pray because we have different beliefs. But that thing has been set up there because both our parents want it. So when we moved into the house, the altar is there. But when I'm there last time, I always just light up a light. But I will not really pray properly. So that's what we're doing. But since last year, the house has been unattended. So my husband is the one who he suddenly, since last year, the ability that he lost to see things, he's getting it back. So I am not sure if and this Saturday he brought back my son's sculpture. When he was a baby, we did the sculpture of his hands and his feet. And that sculpture was, when we cleaned the house that day, we kept it in the prayer room.
Who did the sculpture?
It was a Chinese lady, Chinese lady.
Why?
It's like a memory, sir, of their childhood hand. We just put it in a clay and then we make it as like a
Hold on, hold
stone
on, I don't
form.
understand. Whose childhood?
My son,
They came
my
and did a
son.
sculpture of your son like a puppet.
No. Of the hand and the feet, both his hands and feet.
Okay.
We do it like a sculpture form, and then when he was 5 months old, we did that. So we did a sculpture of both his hands and both his feet, and we made it into a frame. We
Who
put it
did that?
into a frame.
Who did that?
They have this agency called Twinkle Baby, and there's many parents doing that.
For what reason, lah?
I mean, kids are growing up very fast, right, sir? So we want to preserve their tiny little hand and tiny little feet just for memories, sir. So for that, we did that.
So you take a fingerprint from the leg and all? No.
No, it's like a clay. So you actually, it's a soft clay. You actually have to put your baby's foot or your hand into the clay, and it molds. It becomes a mold. Then what they do, they mix like a cement kind of.
And they pour inside, and then they break the outside.
Yeah, so it forms the exact shape of the hand and the feet.
And what place is this? You're going to do this. What place is this?
I did it in Connaught, Taman Connaught, Shiraz.
What place is that? What place is that? It's a temple, ashram, or it's just a normal shop?
No. It's a normal shop. It's a shop. It's like a gift shop. So I did it there, sir. I did that in 2018. So that thing, because the house was unattended, we cleaned it. We placed that framework of the sculpture in the altar room in my Cyberjaya house. So my husband brought it back because he had a bad feeling. He didn't want to leave any of my eldest son's things in the house. So he brought back that thing, and it's now currently in my parents' house. So I'm staying in my parents' house because I'm like now working here. I'm a doctor. So my parents takes care of my children. So ever since the night he brought the sculpture, he has been like, I told you, he had that weird smile, and then he said bye-bye to a very dark hall, like you can't see anything. And my husband said the face was really scary.
Your husband can see that?
Pardon?
Your husband can see that?
How can how my husband saw that, it is, sir?
Can you see that?
Yeah, he didn't see any image, but he saw my son's face was weird. He had a weird face, like as if he was smiling and his eyes was like popping out, and he was smiling so happily to something that no one can see in the hall, and he waved bye-bye. And then he closed the door, he sat on the bed, he repeatedly did that 3 times. Okay, that was day before, and yesterday when I came back from work, I saw my son. He was crying, and then he was crying so badly, but his mouth was smiling. So I freaked out. I felt really bad, so I played the PVH song. I did whatever I need to. He was calm. We sat for blessing. He was calm. And then night again, he started staring at the roof, and he started shaking his head, doing weird things with his eyes. Then I hit him. He just curled up, he made himself like very tiny, and he started crying and crying non-stop for half an hour. So he usually don't do that, and yesterday whole day he has been like on off, ignoring all of us, just comes to the room, just sits and blank stare in the room, closes the door. He's just 3 years old, so he usually don't do that. He's most of the time with us, sitting where somebody is, but this whole day yesterday he was isolating himself. So I felt a bit scared, and then with this thing that my husband told, there's this scary image that's coming, and when he reads Divine Fire, he has that image popping out. So I wanted to ask you, is that connected to my son? Because my son was progressing so well ever since I met you in March. But suddenly, this past 2 weeks,
There's a soul to do with the water sculpture you had. There's a soul attached to the sculpture. Now he's with your son.
There's a soul attached to the sculpture. Okay.
A male soul.
So a male soul.
11-year-old soul. Male soul.
What do I do about it, sir? That means it's in my parents' house currently.
Yes.
Okay, what
So
do
this is
I
the whole
do
trouble
about
when
it?
we make all these sculptures and things like that. Some souls will come and take that part and stay there.
Okay, sir. Sir, I really didn't know, sir.
பாருங்க
I am a
பாருங்க
normal mother.
இன்னொன்று இட்ஸ் ஓகே இப்போ பாருங்க இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு ஒரு மரம் there's a tree and
Okay.
Indian flowers see a tree. How would they pray to a tree?
They will turn it into a god.
How?
They put a statue there.
What statue?
Most of the time is Muneeswaran statue.
First they start with a stone, a brick,
Okay. Okay.
and they tie a string around the tree or cloth around the tree, red cloth, a yellow cloth, and then they put a tree around like put talapa for the thing, I think like a person, huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
soul will come and stay that's in the stone, huh?
Okay.
And you do puja, and the thing becomes stronger, and one fine place, I'll buy a statue and I'll make a temple. A temple is formed. You understand?
Yes, sir, I understand.
So they all, rather than praying to the tree, asking tree for help, now they start praying to the place. And after some time, the tree will die. The tree can't take all this nonsense. Tree will die.
Okay, sir.
And then now this thing becomes very strong. Then become temple, and then temple. No.
Okay.
This is how it all starts, lah. Actually, it's the nature. Nature is there. The tree. Nature will do. They give you the whatever necessary thing.
Okay.
So now
Okay,
this
sir.
what happens, lah. This what happens, lah. This all happens. All this going, lah.
What do I do now, sir?
Where is your son? You need a sculpture. Where is the sculpture?
It's in the room now that I'm currently talking to you.
Ah, you're there in the room, ah. Okay, go to the sculpture.
Yes.
It's there. The thing is there. The soul is there.
Okay, so what do I do now, sir?
இது இங்கிலீஷ் படம் மாதிரில பார்க்கறதுக்கு.
ஆமா சார், நேற்று ராத்திரி நான் உங்களுக்கு 12:30 மணிக்கு ஃபோன் அடிச்சிருப்பேன். நான் ரொம்ப பயமா இருந்துச்சு.
நான் தூங்கிட்டேன்.
அதான் சார், நான் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணல. I don't know what to do.
Go to the room now. Go to the room now.
Go out of the room?
Go to the room now.
Okay, I am in the room, sir. I'm
okay,
closed
okay.
and my son is there with
Okay,
me.
look at the sculpture, whatever it is.
Yes, sir, I'm looking at it.
Okay, done.
Thank you, sir. Sir, then another thing, sir, then what is there in my Cyber Jaya house? Actually, my aunt
Nothing there now.
told me that nothing there now. So that's the spirit that my husband has been
Yes.
seeing, is it?
Yes.
Can I know, is it any family member spirit
No.
or... No, it's just a soul that was in the condominium, is it, sir? Is it something like that?
Normally, condominium can have a lot of souls, huh?
Okay, so then next another thing, just wanted to clarify with you. Both my kids, my 3-year-old and my 6-month-old, when go to my brother's room next door, they are very happy. They're always smiling and they're cheerful. Is there something there?
Good one.
sir?
Nothing wrong. Smiling good, isn't it?
It
Good,
is
isn't it?
good, but yeah, that's the thing.
Maybe they're happy, lah.
I'm just worried.
No, lah.
Okay,
They're
sir.
just happy in the room, lah. That's all. They like
Okay,
maybe
so-
they like your brother or whatever.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, another thing I want to say, since now you took off the soul, you think if I sell my Cyber Jaya house, it will work out? Because
Why
we
not?
have been trying to sell and it's not working out because
Why not?
we don't want...
Do
Can,
divine
sir?
fire for the house.
Yeah, we are doing, sir, but it's not progressing because that soul has been
Yeah,
there.
now
I
it's
think.
clean now. Then see how. Okay.
So how about the altar, sir? I just neutralize it and I discard it, is
What
it?
altar?
My altar in my Cyber Jaya house.
Nothing there now.
Nothing there now. Okay. Sir, last question. My husband has a tattoo in his arm. Is there anything
He can see things
wrong?
all over. Why he puts a tattoo all? He can see things, isn't it? Can you see the connection to come to tattoos?
He can see things since very young, but after my son born, past 3 years, it's lost. But
What
this
tattoo?
year
What
it came
tattoo you
back.
put?
It's a dragon with 5 elements of the earth: water, sky, sun, and everything in it, lah. He
So-
did it in Thailand, but so
Thailand.
far,
Of all the places, the world, Thailand. Huh?
is there anything wrong with that, sir?
Yeah, they'll always have connection. But always a dark side, isn't it?
Okay, sir. What do I need to do for him
What
to
do you have a
do?
dragon in the house? What will happen?
What will happen if I have a dragon in the house? I'm not sure, sir.
The dragon will bite you, lah. Ennala, ningala.
okay. I didn't know you're saying like that. So,
Well,
அதுக்கு ஏதாவது
you,
பண்ணணுமா
you
sir?
put a dragon, that's what the dragon will do. Don't come and be
The
nice
dragon-
to you. Huh?
It will burn. Okay, so it will bite all over.
Whatever, lah, he'll bite or will chase you, you'll panic, you won't even go into the house.
Okay. So
Why
now
you
for
have
the
so when you have statue, what's going to happen?
it will start eating him up, something like that. Is
Yeah,
it? Am I?
start doing all the negative things, lah.
Okay, so now we can't remove the tattoo. So instead, what can I do to the tattoo?
Yesterday I did the deactivation work.
Oh, okay. He said for the blessing. He did sit for the blessing, sir.
Hmm. Okay, let's see next time when you come and see. Let's see. Huh?
Okay. So do I need to bring my son to see you, or now
No.
everything is clear? Do I have to neutralize the sculpture again?
Get rid of the sculpture. You don't need it. Why you need it for?
So I spent a huge fortune on that sculpture, sir.
Huge fortune.
700 ringgit I spent on the sculpture, sir.
என்னவா
On my-
நீங்க அந்த புள்ளைக்கு ஒரு என்னாச்சும் நல்லது வாங்கி கொடுத்தா அவன் பாய்ப்பான்ல.
அவனுக்கு நிறைய வாங்கி கொடுத்தாச்சு சார். இது
So-
ஏன் மெமரி என் பிள்ளை பெருசா ஒரு வரைக்கும்.
ஸோ ஒன்று வாங்கி கொடுக்க தேவையில்ல. ஸோ இது மெமரி. இப்போ வந்து வச்சிச்சு பாருங்க மெமரி.
பிகாஸ் அது நான் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணி அந்த வீட்ல வச்சுட்டேன் சார்.
எந்த வீட்டில் வச்சாலும் வரும். ஓகே, வீடை கூட சொல்லாதீங்க. இந்த மாதிரிலாம் பண்ணும்போது சம்திங் வில் கம் அண்ட் கெட் அட்டாச்ட். வாட் இஃப் a small child was died? What is he looking for? You're a doctor, you go to hospital, one child is died during delivery or died at a very young age. What will the soul do?
The soul will look for other souls to
Look for a
attach.
friend. So
Okay.
your brother your son is a friend. Okay. So you go and get
Okay,
a
sir.
sculpture like that. Say sculpture lah. You decide what to do lah.
Okay, sir. Okay, understood, sir.
Understand?
Okay, sir.
It's like
Understand.
you take a statue somewhere and you go and take in your house. What? Something will follow the statue to the house.
All right, sir. Understand. Okay, sir. So I just continue doing what I'm doing, right, sir? For now, you have cleared it up, right, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Bye.
you very much, Mr. Thank you very much.